Hey guys, most of this is from that yard that I've been working on cleaning. That pile on the end's been there for a little bit, but I added to it. All this kindling for my bonfire pit over there. Got my 2 sons and daughter and my parents. There's my little bonfire pit. Start burning the wood, save money instead of taking it to the dump, even though it doesn't really cost a lot. There's some extra mulch that I just tossed back here. I got some extra rocks, gravel over there, and some salt and sand mix. And then the rest of my yard. Hills and trees. There's a tarp I need to get out from under. Look at these suckers. 3 trees fell from the storm that we just had. So, and here's the backside. So I would love to light this whole sucker on fire, but don't need that big of a fire. We'll go over here, take a look at the pit.
Hey Chris, that's enough, okay? Let's just do this.
Bring it over here.
Nope. Not going anywhere.
Be careful, guys. Watch out, Riley. Don't. You almost hit me, girlfriend.
Dad!
Yeah? See the fire?
Yeah.
Hey, smile for mommy. Riley, look at me. Smile, Christopher. Daniel, look, turn around.
Wait, did you get... I'm getting to where the fire is. No, you have to. We have to.
Well, pretty good tonight here.
Everyone thinks there's a bonfire. Hey, Grandma, if we use that, that would be a giant fire.